Hello students, hope you all are well and reading and doing your work. Let's continue our chapter with the last topic, thermoflask. As the name suggests, thermo means heat and flask mean any container used for storing a liquid. Means whatever type of liquid, hot either cold, is present in that flask will remain almost on same temperature and there is no loss or gain of heat. For heat to be gained or lost, that is for transferring the heat, three methods are there: conduction, convection and radiation. If thermoflask is not allowing any kind of loss or gain, so these three methods are minimized in that thermoflask, and such type of structure is made in thermoflask to minimize the loss or gain by conduction, convection and radiation. Let's do that. The outer casing of the thermoflask is made up of an insulating material like plastic that minimize heat loss due to conduction. See this diagram. Outer wall is made up of the double wall plastic container, and if plastic is there, plastic stopper is there and insulating support is there, these three insulating material will not allow any kind of the conduction. By the conduction, you know that molecule to molecule transfer is needed, and if insulating molecules are there, they will not allow any kind of the heat to be transferred to the next molecule. So by the conduction, heat loss or gain will be minimized. Second method, convection. Heat loss due to convection is minimized in inner jar made up of the double glass due to vacuum present between them. See this structure. Vacuum is there in the second layer. Vacuum means area from where the air has been removed, and if the only air is the molecule which will be present between the double surface. If air will be removed, there will be no material medium in between, and if medium is not there, loss or gain by convection method is minimized. And third method, radiation is minimized by this silver surface double glass. Silver surface is the shiny surface, and the shiny surface will reflect back all the radiation back into the bottle, so the loss or gain by the radiation method is minimized. It will be more clear with this diagram. See, thermoflask without reflecting lining. Conduction and convection are not occurring because of insulation and vacuum, and if reflective lining is not there, radiation can occur because there is no need for medium for the reflection to occur. And if that reflective surface is there, it will reflect back all the radiation, so loss or gain by radiation method is minimized. Such type of flask is called thermoflask, in which the heat transfer cannot occur by conduction, convection and radiation. It was the last topic of your chapter. Now in the next video I'll send you few question answers, and till then you have to try the exercise given at page number 40 and page number 46, and you also have to try the back exercise of the chapter.